Hey everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are upstyling some inexpensive tin trays with Marabou alcohol inks, and we're giving them this funky, burnt metal, colorful patina. It's a really cool process. I think you're gonna love it, and you could use it on all kinds of different metal objects. Now, before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hi. And you know how much I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's upstyle some tin trays. Marabou is constantly creating new colors of alcohol ink each year, and these are just a few of the colors they've come up with recently. I hope you'll take a second to thumbs up this video and leave me a comment. You know how much I love hearing from you. You will need at least 3 coats of lacquer, and you'll want to let it dry at least 10 minutes in between each coat. I'm going to leave a link to Marabou alcohol inks and everything I used for this video. Thumbs up if you like this project, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts. And I will see you next week. Bye.